Everybody, this is Scott with CMR Custom Designs. I have another piece that's going out today. This is a 7-foot long dining table with a bench. This customer also has chairs that go with this table. We've already delivered the chairs, but this is their table and the bench. The bottom is painted white and the base is called Dark Walnut, and that's made by Minwax. I'm going to turn the camera around and then you can get a better look. So the base is got turned legs and then the matching bench. This table's 7 feet long. I love all the different grain patterns. There's just so much character. Same way with the bench. These are made to order, so if you like this table and you want to order one for yourself, I can make them any length, any colors. Just send us a message. If you like this channel, I would really appreciate if you subscribe and click the notification bell and hit the like button. That way you'll get updated whenever we make new videos. I make a video of everything that I build, and like I said, I would really appreciate it. And I hope you have a good day. Thanks.